Alright, guys. Who ate all my ice cream?
No, not me. Well, not me. Well, it wasn't me either.
Because the whole bucket of container of ice cream is empty.
Well, oh, maybe Big W ate it. No, I don't eat ice cream. I'm lactose intolerant. Uh, maybe Big Q ate it. I literally just got home. Um, maybe you ate it and you forgot. What, Hida?
No, no. I literally just bought the ice cream yesterday.
Um, hmm, Hida, I have footage. Look. Oh, oh crap. Okay, all right. Give me the iPad. Let me see. Q and W, can you please get out of the room for a second? Cause I want to talk to Six in private. Oh, oh, okay. Hey, Hedda. All right. W, I'm a little confused. Is why he wanted us to get out to talk to Six and. I know. All right. I'm a little confused too.
Ah! 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 How dare you?
God.
All my ice cream
Six
sucks!
is getting his ass whooped.